crucial. Something else that she did while she was going through the COVID is changing her priorities. She's someone who used to work a lot, taking care of her kids, but working a lot, tendency to be workaholic. So she realized that because of the lack of energy, and part of the sequels that she has is that she doesn't have the energy she used to have. And from time to time during the day, she needs a break. Otherwise, she can't function properly. So she had to change her priorities. And one of the first one was scheduling her work, not accepting everything, but make sure that she accept what she can deal with and she delegate what she cannot deal with. Family, it's a perfect time, people, to reach out for your family. And when I say family and friends, sometimes family is not your blood family, but giving your time and your attention to the people that you love is showing them that they matter to you and vice versa. And do not underestimate to hear the voice of a loved one, not just messages. Talk to them, maybe video, maybe calling. Talk to them. The voice make a hell lot of difference. Finances, she was really fine, and even now she's okay. It has dropped a little bit, but what she did, she checked out, did she really need to spend all the money she was spending on what she was spending it? So she did her inventory and she realized she could actually save money. Anyway, there was nowhere to go, there was nothing to buy. Yeah, maybe online, but not really the need to buy or to go out for dinner or lunch. Education, she started focusing on her kids' education more because schools are closed. What are we doing? Do we do? We don't. How do we do it? Very important too. Health, health, all the things that she was taking for granted, she started looking even more into that. So now this is the perfect time for you to look into friends and family, your finances, your health, yourself, as what can you deal with, what you cannot deal with. Make sure, take this time, look into these things, prioritize so that you don't get overwhelmed. See you soon. Ciao.